Welcome to Module 7, How These Tools Think Behind the Scenes. In this video, we'll demystify how deep research tools process your query and why that matters for how you use them. We'll look at agentic AI, how it breaks down tasks, what chain of thought reasoning means, and how these mechanisms show up in tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. So from chatbot to research assistant. Your average chatbot works turn by turn, answering based on the last message, whereas deep research tools act more like a research assistant. They think several steps ahead, revisit information, and adapt their plan as they go. What is agentic AI? Agentic means these tools have a goal, and they pursue it semi-independently. They don't just follow a script. They plan, research, evaluate, and adjust. It's like working with a junior analyst who's been briefed well and knows how to investigate. Chain of thought reasoning. Behind many of these tools are models like OpenAI's O3 or Google's Gemini Flash. And they use something called chain of thought reasoning. That means breaking your question into smaller logical steps and then figuring out the best way to answer. It's not instant, but it is very powerful. Here's how that shows up. A tool like ChatGPT Deep Research will do an initial search and then dig deeper as it finds more. It might compare views, rank the most relevant sources, and reorganize what it finds, all before giving you a final report. Behind the scenes snapshots. You can sometimes see this happening in real time. ChatGPT shows a sidebar of its thinking steps. Gemini gives you a plan before it starts to do the work for you. And Perplexity marks the sources it's thinking about clearly next to each section. This transparency helps you decide how much to trust or challenge the output that the tool is generating for you. So why should you care about this? Because when you understand how these tools work, it does give you better ability to writing better prompts, crafting queries that align with their reasoning, understanding where things go wrong, allowing you to spot weaker outputs and identifying flaws, asking smarter follow-ups, guiding the AI to deeper insights, and getting better value from every task. Deep research tools simulate thinking. They plan, read, compare, and explain in a report to you, not just generate or retrieve an answer to a single prompt. The more you understand how they work, the better you can collaborate with them to get even more out of them. In the next module, we'll talk about value, how to make the most of your time, credits, and query limits. See you in Module 8.